have no idea what... Aircon? That's aircon. We bought the world's cheapest pickup truck, the Chang Li Explorer. $2,000 from China, and it's here. Let's see what you get for $2,000. Oh, that's satisfying. Okay, go to our little magic tool set. Looks like there's about 200 of these things, so. Oh, there we go, first look. Not particularly wide. I think we take another side off here. Beautiful. There we go, first look at the little chrome rims there. Oh, aluminium, oh, that's nice. They look about the size of wheelbarrow wheels, but it's not big, but I'm interested to see what it looks like. The back. A little bit of a dent there. It has come all the way from China, so don't think it's damaged the car underneath though. Probably should have had these on the whole time, but oh, there we go. There we go. Now we're starting to see it. This is what $2,000 worth of pickup truck gets you. That is a bright red. Ta-da! That's not bad. That's actually quite nice. There we go. So, size comparison, it's it's not a big vehicle. There we go. That's not bad in here. We've got little screens. That doesn't sound particularly smooth, but it's a bit cramped in here, I'm not going to lie. But well, it comes with a roll bar as well. Fancy. Oh, it's a roof rack. Full of surprises. You don't get these optional extras on some of the more expensive cars. And this whole car costs less than most optional extras on other cars. Well, it's not heavy, but not bad. This way. Like that. Not bad, not bad. This, I think this is a bull bar. Oh yeah, I think we've got some mounting brackets under there. Something like... And then I think we get a roll cage as well. Look at that. I think they are the smallest wheels I've ever seen on any sort of... This is how the side mirrors go on. Just a couple of tech screws to hold the roll cage on. So they're just slightly longer tech screws. Nothing fancy, but you got me presenting today, but I think Alex might actually regret not reviewing this. So this is going to be a bit of fun, I think. The rear view mirror is a suction cup. So, looks like we have, what do we got here? Side mirrors, there we go. Not bad, decent size. Jack kit. That's cute. Although I think it'd probably be easier just to lift this thing up than actually use a jack. You've got this lovely, I'm not sure what sort of wood that is. That's I think it might be PVC wood. Is that a bit of fake mahogany on the center console there? Electric windows. I wasn't expecting that. I thought these would be hand cranked for sure. Let's put these on. This will probably be the first and last time I have to put side mirrors on my own car. I can see how I can get to those bolts, but I'm not sure how I'm going to get a screwdriver on that top bolt. This is a little invention I like to call the right-angled screwdriver. It's a combination of a shifter and a tech bit. And there we go. That is one secure, if slightly dodgy, side mirror. First bull bar putting on. Done. Once I tighten it up, but not bad. It's hot work, like, what can I say? Satisfying part. Oh yeah. Oh. That's the best part. Okay, so I've just found this. This is the power supply for your car. Complete with international adapter. So this looks like something that would drive a computer. It's not exactly. This is a tipper, and I think to get to the battery we have to actually tip this up. So let's see if we can work it out. Oh, there we go. So you've got 4 batteries there, so I'm shooting 12 volts each, probably 48 volts. And I think we have to hook this up and then it's right to go. It's 100 amp batteries there, 4 of. Bit less than what you get in a Tesla, and I guarantee you they're not as good as batteries as you get in a Tesla, but that's pretty much the whole running system for your car right there. There's not much there. It's pretty simple. It comes with a very high tech. Now where are we thinking this goes? There. Okay, so we're trying to work out how to turn this thing on, and I think if we drop that down. What do we got under here? Oh, there we go. That looks like it's just like a regular house breaker. So let's give this a flick. Turn away, just in case it blows up in my face. Can't have. Hey, there we go. That sounded promising. We have beeps. Start, stops on. Let's give it some juice. Oh, we got, there we go, fully charged. Underneath here. There we go. So, look at that. 64.4 volts, it's full. I have no idea what... Aircon. That's aircon. Oh my god, sweet aircon. I'm not actually sure whether that's aircon. I think that might be just fans, but we've got the systems on here. Look at this. Bloody hell, that's fancy. That's sort of, you got a touchscreen? I don't think so. Oh yeah, it's fake touchscreen. I mean, it's a $2,000 car. What do you expect? Let's just quickly install this. Easy as that. You have a rear mirror. It's definitely not as simple as just going to your dealership and driving away. There's a few extra steps. Yeah. Let's see. This thing has the power to drive over some small bumps. Maybe if I push and Ludo drives, we might be able to get it to roll.
No, there's no way this thing will gonna move.
Yeah. So what we've done is we've jacked up every wheel individually. We put some wood underneath it to get it off the frame. So now, hopefully it's got enough power to roll back and we might be able to get this thing free. So we've got a little ramp at the back here too. It might drop into that next gap, we may have to jack it up again, but any luck we can get enough momentum that we can get it close to getting off. So let's see how we go. Keep going. Not good, boss. Okay, so that didn't work. Good things take time, so it'll be all worth it. Now that this side's up, I can push that way. It's half out of the frame. So that side is now out. We're so close. We're nearly there. So we're going to lower this down. I'm going to put timber in here so that can drop down off this. And then I'm going to precision drive this along this bar here, off the wood, and then just into that gap, and then touch wood. It's free.
Yeah, carry on. Yeah, stop.
Right, we're nearly there. Just got to back it up a little bit more, and then we can jack it up and pull the frame out.
A bit more. Stop.
I can see a lot of tree in my rear view camera. I wonder why. Jack this up and it's off. Oh my god, thank god. Now for the good part. It's free. We drop it down and then we can do some hot laps. Oh. Air conditioning on. Put it in drive. Oh. First thoughts, the turning circle isn't amazing. It's slow. The suspension's pretty rough, but it's a $2,000 car and we got it out. That's the world's cheapest pickup truck and the world's hardest unboxing. So make sure you like and subscribe, surely that deserves. Let's go.